Bharatavarsha is a perfect place for spiritual flowering. That's why we have so much of Mahatmas. Many of the children, especially in the West, they ask me, why is it that all Mahatmas come only from Bharat? He says, no, it's not true. But 99.99% seems to come from Bharat only. Why? The simple answer is, our Swami Vivekananda says, would you ever wonder why all the food items are coming only from kitchen? Kitchen is by design a place for you to cook and give food to people who need not even enter into the kitchen. There may be 10 rooms in a house where your uncles, your aunts, your mosis and buas and all your grandsons, everybody is there in a house. So there used to be a mansion with so many, small rooms there. People used to live in all those rooms. But then the kitchen used to be one. And the food comes to all the 10 rooms from the kitchen. You see? And nobody ever thinks it's very strange. How is it possible? Food comes only from the kitchen. It is designed that way. For the whole house to be fed, everybody need not cook. But everybody needs to eat. For that, some need to cook. And those people need to be in kitchen. Our Swami Vivekananda says that our Bharatavarsha, to put allegory or rather the example, is the spiritual kitchen for the world. Not everybody need to be born in Bharatavarsha, but then all the spiritual food needs to be fed from Bharatavarsha. That is the reason why you tell me a city, there will be a saint. Any village. You go and ask the villager, they will say, yes, 200 years back there was a Mahatma. We have a small samadhi and this is the place where he lived. Almost every village. Can you imagine any country? Can you imagine any desham which has such spiritual flowering as Bharatavarsha? Reason is, by design, Bharatavarsha is there as a spiritual kitchen. You see, to feed spiritual food all over the world, so that there will be order, there will be beautiful acceptance in the world, and which is the reason why people generally flock to India, whether it is Vrindavan or Puri or Tiruvannamalai or Guruvayur or Pandharpur. You see, people go there because they want to drink deep into the source of spirituality and religion, which is Bharatavarsha.